Helping lines are very handy for situations where the big wide workspace is very intimidating. You can always use helping lines, shapes, forms and sketches. No matter what you're animating, a walking figure, a loop or just a frame-by-frame animation. Here are some examples executed. Use this method to make it easier to animate a running person from a certain perspective. Or here, a shitty strange kick from distance. Just add some layers with diverse helping lines and stuff. You can add layers for each helping element. What you need is key. And when you're finished your animation, you can just erase those layers. This is also very important for Flash. Not just turn off the layers, because if you don't erase them, they will appear after exporting those animations. Also, if you clearly know how the motion should be and will looks like. Help lines can help your flow and orientation. You can consider possible later details in the background. In cases you don't know how the background will looks like, you have no clue. For example, that's the case when you are working in a group. You are working on the animation, another one works on the backgrounds. Then you can orientate by helping lines and manifest how the motion will act perspective-wise. Also, you can arrange how the animation will interact with the future background. Here we have a granite toss, drag and drop animation, executed with the help of lines. These lines let me know where the ground will be and also where a type of barrier will be, like a wall or a rock. So this is a very comfortable and solid way to know where to put the feet or shoes of a person or where the pavement will be. At the end, you can also arrange the background while consider the helping lines. Have fun!